What's up, everybody? Big Cop Diesel coming at you, and I wanted to make a quick video to kind of make an announcement for those of you that don't know. You might have seen a few little hints I've dropped on social media, and that is that I have re-entered the security field. Those of you that know me know that I used to be in the Army, and I was a corrections officer for a long time. I did some security work. Transitioned out of that to be a full-time trainer and studio owner, and due to a series of events, life events, unforeseen events, I have decided to re-enter the security space, to start doing that stuff again. I still am working with clients. But what I'm doing different is I'm only doing online training. The only thing I'm doing face to face is fulfilling a contract that I have. But other than that, I'm not taking any one-on-one clients face to face. I'm doing everything online, so both training and nutrition. So on the other side of that is I've started working for a security company again. In the process of getting all my certifications renewed for that. Weapons training, defensive tactics, and all that stuff, and get back into kind of my first love. And I'm just grateful for the opportunity to be able to do it. And it's something that's very fulfilling, and we'll see what I can do. I'm not 25 years old like I was when I did it before, but I've gained a lot of experience along the way, and I know I'm in better have a higher level of physical fitness now than I did then, believe it or not. So I'm very excited and looking forward to it. And the purpose of this channel is I will begin to start sharing some security related content. I've already noticed just in a short time I've re-entered the field that there's not a whole lot of information out there for security people. And I haven't really seen any channels. Again, I'm still pretty new back in. I'm still looking around, but so my goal is to, make this a resource, just like I did for fitness. And I'll continue to talk about fitness. I'll continue to talk about nutrition, but basically now from the angle of the security professional, because to be an effective security professional, you need to be in shape, and to do that you need to be eating well. So that's kind of the announcement, and wish me luck. And hopefully those of you that have been following me on my fitness journey and my training journey will continue to follow me on the security journey. All right, everybody, I hope you have a great day. Talk to you all soon.